Real-time course correction using SAP HANA. Big data versus fast data. Big data is all about largeness and complexity of data sets. It's all about exabytes that interest us. But how about data at speed of light? It's not about the size of data, but the speed of data and taking decisions to make life happen. Unlike big data, it's not about solving problems for which we already know most of the answers. It's about solving and correcting the unknowns and managing infinity. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not talking about master and transactional figures, but managing drones and planes, guiding Mangalyans in its orbit, and course correcting events for which life does not give you a second chance. Roughly two-thirds of all space exploration missions have met a bad end. Some have burned up in Earth's atmosphere on launch, while others simply died along the way to their destination planet. Some of the biggest challenges facing space exploration missions which require a real-time course correction are long cruises, orbit capture, and dangerous dips. We took one of the use cases and will show you one of the RAF plane attempting landing. You have numerous devices sensing and collecting real-life data at high speeds and sending this data for processing by on-base data scientists. Decisions have to be taken quickly to make next chain of event happen. In our scenarios, large set of data is sent by onboard computing devices to the data center which analyzes the data using SAP HANA and sends feedback to the pilot to do course correction in real time. Due to extreme wind and pressure conditions, the aircraft could not correct its course on time and was unable to land, so it took off again. Had SAP HANA would have been used for real-time course correction, the plane would have safely landed. Now when the aircraft reaches a high altitude, the pilot receives the course correction data predicted by SAP HANA, and so the pilot adjusts the parameter and start the